Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add custom fonts on CapCut PC. It's really simple and easy. So first of all, what you have to do is you have to open up a web browser. This can be any type of browser. I'm going for Google Chrome here, and then just come to search engine. You have to search for DaFont. DaFont is basically a free font website. Of course, you can go and use another website which has free fonts as well. I'm just going to use for this DaFont. We got all these different categories. We are going to look at attend, like looking at the top ones. There are some popular ones. You can go and scroll down until you see a font you like. I'm going for this one here, so I'm going to go in the right hand side and go for this download. What essentially going to do is download this into our computer. As you can see, it's downloaded. Go and open your file explorer and go to the downloads folder. Go and find the folder of the zip you just downloaded. I found it just here. Then what you need to do is just go and tap on it, and as you can see here, it should be an open type form file. It's important to note that in a folder you download, there may be a multiple different types of fonts and variations. If there are multiple, you will need to go and install these one at a time, and that's just how it's going to be. What you need to do is just go and tap on it, double tap on it, and as you can see, we can go and get this sort of font preview appear. It's exactly what it looks like. You can then go and click on this install in the top left, and it's now installing. Now it's installed in our computer system, and because it's on our computer system, it's then going to go and appearing in CapCut. You can also go and use this one in other places on your computer. Now we can go and open the CapCut application. So now if I go to the text here, just like so, go for this default text here. Here is our text. That what you can do is type whatever you want and then come for this font, and now search for the font, the same font we have downloaded, and you can scroll down until you see that same font you will find here. If you can't find it, what you can do is you can search here, and here is your downloaded font. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.